first experience with a typewriter was a cousin of mine worked for Olivetti, and I believe that Christmas before, in those days, the Christmas gift to get was a typewriter.
This is Michael Ardito. He repairs printers and copiers, but his passion is repairing vintage typewriters.
My cousin came over. He was working for Olivetti, and he brought his tools with him. There was something minor wrong with the machine, and he took his tools out, and I saw that, and I loved it. And from that day, I guess I was 12 years old, I wanted to do that. I wanted to work with typewriters.
With Staten Island Makerspace and a home office as his workshop, Mr. Ardito explains that there are two types of common typewriters and keyboards: the QWERTY keyboard we use today, and the scientific keyboard, which was standard to a Blickensderfer model introduced in the 20th century.
If a person just wanted to own a typewriter, just to say I have a typewriter, this represents the typewriters of the past, I would recommend something like an Underwood 5. So they had over a 30-year run of this machine, 3 decades, and it is the most successful manual typewriter ever made.
Some of the typewriters for sale are the same models used by well-known writers, directors, and movie producers like Margaret Mitchell, Woody Allen, and Tom Hanks, to name a few.
I have writers that I work with. They come and they look at machines for hours, and sometimes they just walk away. They have not found it. They don't get that feedback, that connection. I think it's important, like a bowling ball. Once you learn how to use your bowling ball, you can't go bowling without that bowling ball.